Wow! Look at all the cool construction truck friends! A dump truck, a cement mixer, and a bulldozer! Ready for a fun adventure by the river! Here comes the dump truck with a full load of dirt! Yay! Vroom vroom! Uh-oh! Be careful! Whoa! Splash! He took a cool dive right into the water! Driving on the narrow bridge! Oops! He fell in too! Look! He's making fun splashes in the water! It's the green cement mixer's turn! Yay! Go, go, go! Woohoo! Let's go to the end of the road! Sploosh! I guess the cement mixer wanted to go for a swim! Huh? He just pushed him in! What a silly trickster! Now the bulldozer is driving on the train track! Woohoo! Choo-choo! Yay! He's so fast! Plop! He made a cool jump into the sea! A bigger bulldozer appeared! Vroom, vroom! Woohoo! Splash! It's a water party for everyone today! The trucks are back again! Woohoo! Yay! Whoopsie! They all fell in together! What a funny splashy mess! But wait! Who is coming from far away? It's the big, strong blue tow truck! Wow! The tow truck uses his powerful crane to lift the dump truck. Woohoo! Heave-ho! Up, up, up you go! Next, it's time to rescue the cement mixer! Yay! And the last one! He hooks the bulldozer and lifts him right out of the water! Everyone is rescued and safe! Yay! The dump truck, the cement mixer, the bulldozer, and our awesome hero, the tow truck! What a super fun adventure! See you next time, friends!
Red dump truck goes splash, splash, splash in the water with a happy dash. Yellow bulldozer goes plop, plop, plop. He can't wait, he just won't stop. Green cement mixer goes swoosh, swoosh, swoosh to the river with a bubbly whoosh. Splash together, trucks hooray. Fun and games in the water today.
Look at all these cool construction cars inside the box. Who will come out to play first? Oh, it's the yellow excavator. Let's see what it can do.
Here I go. My name is Excavator, and I love to dig. My job is the best. I get to move my long arm and scoop up the sand. Up, up, up we go. Let's make a big pile right here. Digging is so much fun.
Now who's next out of the box? Wow, it's the strong orange crane truck.
Time to lift. I'm the strongest truck here. Lift these blocks. See? Easy peasy. Now let's drive up this big winding hill. Whee! Don't worry.
Look who's joining the fun. It's the speedy red dump truck, all ready to haul some heavy loads.
First, I'll carry all these colorful balls. This is fun. Whoa. That was a surprise. Okay, let's try again with these blocks. Hey, Excavator, can you fill me up with some sand? Thanks, buddy. I'm off to my next stop.
And here comes the green machine. Can you guess what it is?
Let's drive towards that rainbow tunnel. And now for the magic. Look, I'm pouring a beautiful rainbow road. Red, yellow, green, and blue. Isn't it pretty? Spin, spin, spin. My mixer is always turning.
It's the amazing cement mixer. There's one more friend in the box. It's the purple road roller.
Now I'll take a drive through the amazing Sandcastle City. Hello, everyone.
Squish, squash, smooth. Perfect. Now through the tunnel I go. Let's bring some friends to help. We are the roller team. Rolling, rolling, rolling past all the funny sand statues.
everyone is busy and having fun. What a fantastic construction crew.
The little cars wake up. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep, zoom, zoom. A sparkling number 1 gently floats down in front of the fire truck. The brave fire truck says, "All right," and sets off with a mighty jolt. Vroom, vroom. The fire truck speeds towards the block tower. Crash! Bang! The fire truck splendidly knocks down the block tower. The fire truck looks around. Here's the number 1. Hooray! The fire truck finds 1 and joyfully spins around. This time, a sparkling number 2 gently appears in front of the ambulance. Beep, beep. The ambulance carefully makes its way along the roads. The ambulance slowly disappears into the dark space under the bed. Ta-da! The ambulance finds the 2 block and peeks out in surprise. Yay! The ambulance finds 2 and happily jumps up and down. A flashing number 3 appears in front of the swift police car. Zoom, zoom! The police car dashes past the bookshelf like a flash. Wee woo, wee woo! The police car cautiously follows the crayon line. Screech! The police car stops right in front of the 3 paper. Whoopee! The police car finds 3 and performs an exciting donut spin. A playful number 4 bounces in front of the sturdy tow truck. Heave-ho! The tow truck powerfully climbs up the ramp. Whoosh! The tow truck slides down the slide with a whoosh. Landing! The tow truck spots the 4 card and wiggles its hook. Boogie woogie! The tow truck finds 4 and jumps up and down playfully. A steady golden number 5 calmly floats down in front of the dependable dump truck. Up we go! The dump truck carefully climbs onto the shelf. Push, push! The dump truck steadily makes its way through the toy forest. Found it! The dump truck nods in front of the 5 sticker. Wiggle, wiggle! The dump truck finds 5 and happily wiggles its dump bed. Rumble, rumble! The little cars gather, each with their found number. All together now. La la la! The little cars celebrate with joyful dances. As the day ends, it's time for the little cars to go to sleep. Good night.
Sparkle, sparkle, number 1. Here comes the fire truck. Vroom, vroom, blocks fall down. Hooray! We found the number 1. Sparkle, sparkle, number 2. Here comes the ambulance. Beep, beep, under the bed. Hooray! We found the number 2. Sparkle, sparkle, number 3. Here comes the police car. Zoom, zoom, follow the line. Hooray! We found the number 3. Sparkle, sparkle, number 4. Here comes the tow truck. Whoosh, down the slide. Hooray! We found the number 4. Sparkle, sparkle, number 5. Here comes the dump truck. Chug, chug, through the toys. Hooray! We found the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found all the numbers. Little cars are the best. Let's all dance and sing.
Wow! What's in this big box? Whoa! Look! What a surprise! Wow! It's a super cool yellow excavator! Let's take it out for an adventure! Vroom, vroom! Awesome! What's next? It's a big blue bulldozer! So strong! Let's see it go up the ramp. Go, bulldozer, go! Now it's driving on a long, winding road. Whee! Time to pick another toy. It's a green cement mixer. Let's get to work. Spin, spin, spin. Look at this bumpy bridge. Wow! Now it's climbing up the big boxes. You can do it! Let's see what's next. A big red crane truck. Look how long that crane is. So cool. Let's see it drive over the bridge. It's lifting the dump truck. Heave-ho! Good job, Mr. Crane. Time for our next friend. It's a classic yellow dump truck. Beep, beep. Let's follow the road signs. And now into the tunnel we go. Okay, let's see what's in here. It's a forklift, ready to lift all the heavy things. Let's go clean up this mess. Vroom! Now the forklift is driving through a city made of boxes. What's this one? A road roller. Time to make the road nice and flat. Let's roll. Squish, squash. And now for a super big jump. Whoa! Great job, everyone!
I dig the ground, scoop, scoop, scoop. I'm the excavator. Whoop, 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 whoop. I push the dirt strong and slow. I'm the bulldozer. Go, go, go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I spin around, mix concrete. I'm the mixer. Beat, beat, beat. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I lift up high, way up tall. I'm the crane truck. Don't let it fall. I carry loads and tip, tip, tip. I'm the dump truck. Flip, flip, flip. Woo, 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 woo. I lift up boxes up and down. I'm the forklift. Round and round. Woo, woo, woo. I roll the road smooth and neat. I'm the roller. Thump, thump, beat. Woo, 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 woo.
Wow, look at this super cool garage. Which door will open first? It's the red door. Whoa, it's a fire truck coming out. Here comes the yellow door. It's a school bus. Beep, beep. And a green door. It's a garbage truck. Next is the blue door, a police car. And the pink door? It's a cement mixer. All the cars are gray. Look at them all. 5 gray cars. Let's make them colorful. First, the fire truck. Let's get a magic paintbrush. Swish, swish, swish. Wow, it's red now. So cool. A beautiful red fire truck. Time to go on an adventure. Whee! Down the rainbow slide. That looks like so much fun. Uh-oh, there's a fire. You did it! Hooray! Now it's the school bus's turn. Let's paint it a happy color. Brush, brush, brush. Yay! It's bright yellow! A perfect color for a school bus. Let's go for a ride. Whee! Down the big rainbow slide. Time to go to school. Beep, beep. Okay, garbage truck, you're next. What color should we use? Green, of course. Paint, paint, paint. Awesome! A super green garbage truck. It's ready to slide. Whoosh! So fast! Now it's time to pick up the trash. Great job, garbage truck! Look, the police car! Let's make it look amazing. A little blue paint here. And some white here. Perfect, a real police car. Let's go! Whee! Down the fun slide. Vroom, vroom. Keeping the city safe. Last but not least, the cement mixer. Let's make it pretty and pink. Swish, swish. Oh, it's beautiful! Look, it's flying with balloons. So magical. Now let's slide. Wow! Time to get to work and build something amazing. Pour that cement. Fantastic! What a fun day! Yay!
Red fire truck, hooray! Nino! Let's save the day! Yellow school bus, yay! Beep, beep, time to play! Woo-hoo. Green trash truck, yahoo! Rumble, rumble, good
Today at the playground, the toy trucks are here. There's a yellow excavator, a red mixer truck, a blue bulldozer, and a green dump truck. They're ready to play and work together. But wait. Uh-oh. What's that in the middle of the playground? It's a big muddy hole filled with water and messy dirt. Can they fix it? The yellow excavator digs and scoops. The red mixer truck swirls and pours. The blue bulldozer pushes and smooths. And the green dump truck dumps the sand in. Wow! They're working as a team to fix the muddy pit. Let's cheer them on and watch how they do it through a fun little song.
Fix the muddy pit.
Vroom, vroom, here we go to the playground nice and slow.
Uh-oh, what is this? Oh no!
A muddy pit deep and low.
Scoop, scoop goes the yellow digger, digging deep. The hole gets bigger. Splish, splash, muddy fun. Dig until the job is done.
Swirl, swirl goes the red mixer. Pour the water, make it thicker.
Glug, glug, spin and pour. Let's add just a little more.
Push, push goes the blue bulldozer. Smooth in mud like a roller coaster. Slide the sand from left to right. Make the ground all flat and tight. Thump, thump goes the green dump truck. Dump the dirt with lots of luck. Tip it high and watch it fall. Sand and mud for one and all. We dig, we pour, we push, we dump. Working through each bump and clump. Teamwork makes the job complete. Now the playground's nice and neat.